Hi, this is my new addition to the kitchen. It's a Samsung combi oven. It has got lots of options, so I had to go through the Samsung manual, which was very easy, and I'm very new to this type of oven. It's a 32-liter capacity. It's quite big. It's got a crusty plate, a high rack and a low rack. You can cook 2 dishes at a time, and it's got a quite big turntable. It's got lots of options: hot blast, auto, slim fry, and one for a healthy cooking, and to make your own yogurt or dough proof, power defrost, auto reheat, hot blast, grill, microwave, and combi. And if you see this here, they have given us preset programs which you can use for different dishes. For example, I have used roast chicken, and it says H8 under hot blast auto. So all you had to do is touch hot blast auto and option H8, and as you can see, the time and the heat is already preset, so you don't have to worry about those things. And then there is a start button to start. If you can see here, there is a lock which is for safety, like a child safety lock. You need to press this button for 3 seconds and the child lock will be activated. And if you want to unlock it, you need to keep pressing it for 3 seconds and it will be unlocked. If you open this, you can see there's different dishes, and it will be very easy for you to do your correct dish. And I have followed a couple of options here, and I've used the pre-programmed, and it have worked out properly. And finally, I'm very happy with this product. It's been easy to use, and it looks good in my kitchen, and it's a good buy. Thank you.